Hello, dear students. Let's see this question number 3.11 of Irido. The question states, a system consists of a thin charge wire ring of radius r and a very long, uniformly distributed charge thread oriented along the axis of the ring with one of its ends coinciding with the center of the ring. The total charge of the ring is equal to Q. The charge of the thread per unit length is equal to lambda. Find the interaction force between the ring and the thread. So here is the diagram of the given problem. This is a uniformly distributed charge ring, and this charge given in the question is Q, and it has a radius r. And then there is a semi-infinite linear wire, and one end is at the center of the ring, and this wire is at the axis of the ring, and this end is going to infinity. And this linear charge density is lambda. So we have to find the force of interaction between this ring and the semi-infinite wire. So it's very simple problem. So just we have to recall one result. Suppose if this is a semi-infinite linear wire, linear charge density lambda, and at a point P, which is opposite to the one end, here at a distance r. So the electric field have two components, one electric field which is along this direction, and this electric field component is a k lambda by r, and this component is also k lambda by r. So here, because of this semi-infinite wire, I want to show the electric field at a few points of this ring. Suppose if I want to show electric field at this point, so there will be an away component, and let me write just this equal to E, and this is also E. So this is E and this is E. And on the diametrically opposite point, here the electric field is E, away component, and one component will be E like this. Suppose I take this point here. Here the away component would be like this E, and then there will be component in the downward direction like this. And then if I go to the diametrically opposite point, so the away component would be like this E, and the down component would be like this. And let me show just Q here. So what you can see that this ring has a total charge Q, and you can divide that total charge into little tiny charge dq dq. So on the diametrically opposite point, these electric field and these electric field force dqe will cancel. So at all the points of the ring, so electric field due to these component of the electric field will cause net force 0. But because of the electric field in the downward direction, the force will keep on adding up. And so we can think that this ring is in a uniformly electric field E, which is directly directed in the downward direction. So net force on this charged ring will be in the downward direction, and that will be simply Q into this E. So the force of interaction between these two charge distribution is F is equal to, I can simply write F is equal to Q into E, and E is equal to K lambda by R. And if you want to write in the Irido's preferred notation, I can just put the value of K. So that will become 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. And here Q lambda, and the denominator there is R. So this is the force of interaction between the semi-infinite wire and the uniformly distributed charging. And that's our answer. Thank you.